So guys, this is a car, like I love that car. When I just entered in this car, so I found that this is a very beautiful car, and I have just discussed with the person. What's your good name, sir?
Saeed.
Saeed. So Saeed has been driving, and he's I think he's a student also, and so he's driving a very beautiful car, and that's his own car, and I'm quite surprised that how beautiful car is this. So I discussed with him, and he told me about the entire procedure to buy this car. I found that very cheap as compared to India. It is very cheap, and let's discuss with the person, Saeed. Saeed, so what's his complete plan? Can you share me? Payment plan. So he said me that to purchase any car, you have to. There is some plan over here, 5 years plan, and at last year, like after 4 years, fifth years of plan, you have to say some certain amount. Like for this car, he has to pay 33,000 in the last year after 4 years, and till first to fourth year he has to pay 1,400 riyal.
Basically 1,400 every month.
Yep.
At the end of last 5 years, you should pay the last payment, which is the complete payment to complete your
After 48th month, like 49th month, I have to complete all the rest of all month. Correct?
Yes, the rest of payment will be 33,000. So
Yep.
you can change the car name from the bank to your name. So
Okay.
you will be owner of the car after the 5 years.
Okay. So in between that, I can also sell it up.
No.
No.
You cannot, because the own bank the car at this period.
Yeah. Okay.
After 5 years, it should be you should be the owner of the car.
Oh, that's great. And what's the name of this car? Amco.
It's from a company called GAC.
GAC. Okay.
GAC has many cars.
Yep.
This car called Amco.
Amco.
Yes.
Amco car, and I found it really beautiful. Yeah, like if you see the dashboards and all, and see this also comes in the panoramic sunroof, and really all the thing. Is it coming with the ADAS feature also?
With what?
ADAS feature, adaptive control. I don't think it comes in all.
You mean the
The automatic things like the lane detector and all.
there is only radar here. And
Radar.
Yes, I can control it by this wheel. Also, I have semi self-driver.
Okay.
Semi self-driver. It's not complete.
Complete
but
ADAS.
Yes,
Yeah.
you need to. Sometimes you need to focus on.
Yeah, that's the thing I'm asking about. Like it analyze like how much the speed of
Yes,
that
how
car,
much the distance-
and
the
then
distance also.
it's maintain the distance. Yeah,
So
that's the
you can
ADAS.
bring your phone here. You can see
Correct.
here.
Yeah.
This panel. You can see that ahead there is a track.
Okay, and it is maintaining the thing.
Yes,
If you leave this up, he is just following that.
No.
Will
But
not
if
follow.
if I turn on the radar, it will be falling.
Okay.
But now it's not.
It's not.
Now
That depends on you, na? Okay, how much you want. But in India, it is quite tough because the road is quite the patches like white patches are not completely managed over there. So I think as compared as per the road of Saudi Jeddah, it is really feasible to purchase any kind of ADAS feature car. That will be very feasible for you. So I'm really happy, and it's coming on my mind to purchase it now. So that definitely, yeah, that is a very pretty thing. The panoramic sunroof. Oh my God, it's
This
completely.
roof cannot be opened.
Yeah, it's a moon roof.
Yes.
Yeah. That's a good thing. Much it will run.
Actually, I'm not sure, but I think the custom posted inside the car back.
Uh-huh.
It says 18 kilometers.
18 kilometers.
Yes, 18
Okay. 18 kilometer in a 1 liter.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So it is also good because
Yes,
in highway you always be on highway because the
Also
roads.
Another thing, you can control the. You have.
Yeah, come with their speed and all.
Yes,
Huh?
there's
The
three
performance
settings. Performance. You
Performance.
have economy, comfort, sport.
and sports. Yes.
Definitely, sport will.
It's supposed to take more petrol. So 18 is also good, and because 18 in India, what happens? We have city and highway drive. So in highway drive, we save more petrol because of the constant running of the vehicle, and along with that there is no red lights and all.
It's the same here. Here inside the city, you
Yeah.
will consume it more petrol. But if you go highway like Makkah, like any other city outside Jeddah,
Yeah.
you will save petrol.
Yeah, I found that, but that is also there, like over here city and the traffic is not as high as compared to the India. In India, if you purchase this car, you have to it will give you 8 kilometers of mileage only. 8 kilometer only in a city. In a highway, we can manage it up till 15 to 18.
They also too much traffic. Too much
Traffic
crowd,
because of the people's very
mashallah.
populations kind of. But yes, it is quite similar to that. Our Gurgaon is look like a same. Said is a very nice person and just allowed me. It's quite really tough for people like Arabic person to capture in a video. That's really
It's okay.
but I found many people over here like very pleasant and very good to the expats. For foreigners, they are very welcoming. Thank you so much, Said. You can subscribe and like my channel too, and you'll see you over there giving your all the advice and guidance. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.